What if you could run a successful YouTube channel without recording videos, showing your face, or even editing content? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it is absolutely possible with an automated YouTube cash cow channel, and today I will show you exactly how to build one the right way. Many people dive into YouTube automation but fail because they choose the wrong niche, struggle with content ideas, or mismanage their team. In this video, I will walk you through the proper approach, covering everything from niche selection and video topics to hiring the right team and tracking workflow with Trello. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, stick around because this guide can set you up for long-term success. What is a YouTube cash cow channel? A cash cow channel is a type of YouTube channel where all the content is outsourced, meaning you do not have to create videos yourself. Instead, a team handles everything from scripting and voiceovers to editing and thumbnails. Some successful examples of faceless YouTube channels include Fact File, a channel covering a variety of engaging topics while remaining completely anonymous ZemTV, another example of a faceless channel that thrives on automation and outsourced content. Now, let's break down the 4 key steps to launching a profitable YouTube cash cow channel. Step 1. Choosing a profitable niche. Your channel's niche determines its success. Pick the wrong one, and you will waste time and money with little to no returns. To maximize earnings, focus on high CPM niches, topics that advertisers pay more for, such as finance and investing luxury, and millionaire lifestyles technology, and AI business and entrepreneurship. At the same time, consider trending topics like breaking news and current events, celebrity gossip, and entertainment tech innovations. How to choose the best niche for you. Know the basics. While you do not need to be an expert, having some understanding of the niche makes content creation easier. Check for trends. Trending niches can help you grow quickly, especially if you cover news or viral topics. Study your competitors. Look at similar successful channels and analyze what is working for them. Think beyond ad revenue. The best niches allow multiple monetization options, like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. For example, a channel focusing on economic analysis not only earns from ads, but also attracts brand sponsorships and consulting opportunities. Step 2. Finding winning. Video topics. Choosing the right video topics is crucial. Even with a great niche, if your topics do not attract viewers, your channel will not grow. If you have a team managing your content, they will handle this. But if you are starting on your own, you will need a solid research strategy to identify the best performing topics. 3 ways to find high-performing topics. Competitor research. One of the easiest ways to find great content ideas is by analyzing competitors. Here is how to search for keywords in your niche on YouTube. Example: German Shepherd. Facts. If you are in the pet niche, look at the top-ranking videos and check their engagement levels, views, likes, comments. Visit competitor channels, go to their videos tab, and filter by most popular. Identify recurring high-performing topics. Those are the ones you should cover. Using VidIQ for AI-powered suggestions. VidIQ is a powerful tool that suggests video topics based on real-time data. To use it, connect your YouTube channel with VidIQ, open the Daily Ideas section. Explore AI-recommended video topics tailored to your niche. VidIQ saves hours of manual research and helps you find high-traffic, low-competition ideas. YouTube's built-in search feature. Even without paid tools, YouTube itself provides valuable insights. Start typing a keyword in the search bar, and auto-suggestions will reveal trending topics. Use filters to sort by most viewed, showing the top-performing videos in your niche. By consistently researching and optimizing your topics, you will create videos that rank, attract views, and grow your channel faster. Step 3. Hiring the right team. If you want true automation, you will need a reliable team to handle content creation. Many people make the mistake of hiring random freelancers from platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. The problem is that most freelancers treat your channel like a one-time gig. They will not be invested in its success. Instead, you need dedicated professionals who understand YouTube growth strategies. Where to find the right team. If you need help assembling a top-tier cash cow team, send me a direct message on Instagram at Flow Automation. I will connect you with trusted professionals. Step 4. Managing everything with Trello. Once your team is in place, you need a system to track progress and ensure smooth operations. Why Trello free and user-friendly? No complicated setup. Just sign up and start organizing, perfect for team collaboration. You can assign tasks, leave comments, and share files effortlessly. Customizable workflow. Adapt Trello to fit your content production process. How to set up Trello for YouTube management. Create a free account on Trello.com. Set up a workspace for your channel. Add task lists or cards to manage different stages of content creation, like video ideas, brainstorming new topics, scripting in progress and completed editing and review, final approval and upload. For example, if your writer starts working on a script, move the card to scripting in progress. Need revisions? Leave comments with feedback directly in Trello. Attach files, references, or additional notes to keep everything organized. By implementing this system, you will be able to manage multiple YouTube channels without stress. Final thoughts. That is the complete roadmap for building an automated YouTube cash cow channel the right way. If you found this helpful and want me to cover more in-depth strategies, drop a comment below. And if you need expert-level cash cow managers to handle everything for you, send me a direct message on Instagram at Flow Automation. I will set you up with a trusted team. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.